It's very hard for me to wake up in the morning. I used a bunch of alarms. There was an alarm that you need to find some mathematical formula while you're sleeping. 29 plus 176. You feel yourself like Albert Einstein trying to solve this mathematical formula, and it's very hard. After some time, that alarm was not useful because I was able to solve these mathematical formulas very fast. I'm very smart. There was another application. Then you need to show some emotion on your face. For example, in the morning, application randomly tells you to smile, and you need to smile. And if application thinks it's not enough, it asks you something else. After some time, you'll learn how to do that also. There was another application that asks you to make a picture of specific object. I was making that picture and coming back and sleeping. So solution I'm using now is great, fantastic. It's this band. It counts my steps during the day. It counts my sleep cycles during the night. And I put alarm on the phone, and in the morning when time is, it starts vibrating. And because it counts my steps, while I will not walk in the room, it will not stop. Another good thing of this band is it counts my sleeping cycles. How it knows about that? When we sleep in deep sleep cycle, we do not move. It repeats every hour and a half. All of you had this situation when someone wakes you up and it's so hard for you to wake up, and all the day you feel yourself like smashed potato. That is when you woke up at deep sleep cycle. And contra, another times when there was a click and you wake up so easily, you are in light sleep cycle. These sleep cycles, they repeat every hour and a half. When we are in deep sleep cycle, we do not move. So this band knows when I am in deep sleep cycle, and it calculates. For example, I put alarm at 9 AM, application calculates that at 9 AM I will be in deep sleep cycle. So it wakes me up half an hour before when I'm in light sleep cycle, and I'm ready to wake up and start my morning routine. Number 2 is to choose dreams we see. It's a little bit hard, difficult, and maybe dangerous. All of you saw the movie Inception, Dream Inside the Dream. It's not a fantasy, it's real science. It is possible to control what to see, but it needs a lot of work to do. The idea is you write your dreams every morning when you wake up. The moment you wake up, you see only 40% what you dreamed about. 1 minute later, you remember only 5%. So if we write immediately what we see, it will help us to reach that part of the brain where that information located. And after some time, you will be able to program yourself what you want to see in your dreams, and maybe think about the problems and try to solve them while you are sleeping. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.